Hey there! Welcome to ESL Class 101, where English is made easy and learning is made fun. Hello everyone! Welcome back to ESL Class 101, where English is made easy and learning is made fun. Today, we'll explore one of the most natural and important verb tenses in English, the present simple. You'll hear how it's used in real-life conversations to talk about daily routines, habits, general facts, and opinions. As you listen, read the dialogues on your screen and pay attention to how smoothly this tense works in everyday English. Let's get started.
You're always so energetic in the morning. How do you do that?
I get up at 5:30 every day and go for a short run. That wakes me up.
Wow, I usually stay in bed until 7. Then I make a big cup of coffee to start my day.
I drink green tea instead. It keeps me calm but focused.
So you run and drink tea. That's your secret?
Exactly. Routine keeps me balanced.
In this dialogue, both speakers talk about what they usually do, their daily habits. We use the present simple to describe actions that happen regularly. I get up early. I make coffee. I drink tea. These aren't temporary actions, they're part of a routine, something that happens again and again.
What do you usually do after work?
I usually go to the gym or meet friends for dinner.
Oh, you're active.
I just go home and read.
I read too, but on weekends.
Do you ever cook dinner?
Not often. My brother cooks better than I do.
Lucky you. I cook every night.
Notice how Mia and Tom use words like usually, often, ever, and every night. These adverbs of frequency show how often something happens. Perfect for the present simple tense. When you say, I cook every night, or I read on weekends, you're talking about your personal routine.
Did you know that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius?
Yeah, and it freezes at 0. That's basic science.
The Earth orbits the Sun once every 365 days.
And the moon affects the ocean tides. Nature's pretty amazing, isn't it?
It is! Facts like these always amaze me.
Here, the present simple describes facts that are always true. Water boils at 100 degrees. The Earth orbits the Sun. These statements express general truths, things that don't change. That's why we use the present simple tense for science, geography, and universal facts.
I think social media helps people stay connected.
Maybe, but I believe it also causes stress.
True, I agree. Too much scrolling can make you feel anxious.
Exactly. I prefer face-to-face conversations.
Same here. Real connection matters most.
In this conversation, the present simple is used to express opinions and beliefs. We often use verbs like think, believe, agree, prefer, and matter. These are state verbs. They describe thoughts or feelings, not actions. So we say, I think, I believe, or I prefer, not I'm thinking or I'm believing. And that's it for today's lesson. The present simple tense helps you talk about what's real, regular, and reliable. Use it for daily habits. I wake up early. Use it for facts. The sun rises in the east. Use it for opinions. I believe practice makes progress. The present simple keeps your English clear, confident, and natural. This is ESL Class 101, where English is made easy and learning is made fun. See you in the next lesson.